Hey stinky friends, welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting day because it is the second best day of the year, second only to Christmas, and that is Pumpkin Patch Day. We drove all the way out to Nebraska to come and see our friends and also to go to our favorite pumpkin patch, which is Vallis. It's like the Disneyland of pumpkin patches, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me today. Let's go to the pumpkin patch.
You think you can put Pokemon Rogue up there? Wow, she has aim assist. All right, Francine, go. Miss.
Wow. Give me that corn dog. And I can't see them because they're green.
You're like, oh, I don't know where the apples are.
Newsflash, check a tweet.
Granny. See that one up on there?
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a perfect.
Yep. I could pick them.
That's good.
Just like I pick you. Am I just a joke to all of you?
Wow, what a beautiful tree.
2 more apples?
2 more apples?
Yeah.
I think I can fit 2 more apples.
I think so.
Yeah.
Is there a way we could do a whole...
Chicken papa. Yeah.
And the video's gonna be having to rush Millie to the hospital, breaking her ankle.
Okay, we're back from the pumpkin patch. It was a perfect day. The weather was a crisp 60 degrees and it was perfection. I brought home 2 things. One is my absolute favorite pie of all time. I think it's called brown butter salted honey pie, which is honestly too long of a name. They need to cut that down. But it is hands down the best pie I've ever eaten in my life. And I got the whole pie. It probably will last 3 days. That's my bet. 3 days on the pie and it will be gone. And then we picked apples, and I specifically got Granny Smith apples to bake an apple pie. This week is going to be very full of pie, I think. It was overall just a great day. My anxiety wasn't too bad, didn't ruin the day. I think I do a lot better in open spaces, outside spaces, even though it was very busy, because I wasn't like locked inside in a room. It was a lot easier to deal with. My favorite part of the day was definitely apple picking, because you get to test all of the product. I have yet to meet another pumpkin patch that even comes close to Vallis. It is literally like the Disneyland of pumpkin patches, and it just gets bigger every time that we go. I think we didn't go last year, we went the year before. Even in just a couple year difference, they had like a roller coaster this time which I wouldn't go on personally, but that's crazy. Although I will say they used to have these really creepy statues that I think had just been there since they first opened, and over time had just slowly decayed, and so these figurines that were supposed to be human looking just were so creepy, and they have gotten rid of all of them, or most of them, so that's the end of an era. Specifically on the train ride, there used to be the horse barber, which was a horse giving haircuts, and that was, I think, one of the most haunted statues I've ever seen in my life. Imagine a statue of a horse giving a haircut but it's just been eroded by time for like 20 years. Very creepy. Good morning. Let's make some cinnamon rolls. Hello everybody. Can I help you guys? Itchy. Okay, the plan for today is we're gonna go out and do a little bit of shopping. There's this really cute downtown area near where my friends live that has like a secondhand bookstore and a loose leaf tea store. I have been to the tea store before and it's really cute and they have a great selection. I have yet to go to the secondhand bookstore and I'm very excited to check it out.
I'm nervous.
Come on, Kirby. Oh. Hello, Kirby.
Wow, you did it!
Okay. I have no depth perception. I'm never more aware than right
Well, you're
now.
1 for 1, so.
Oh, that was a bad idea, Ryan.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Little smiley face guy. Sanrio. And who is it? Kirby. Cute. Yesterday when we went for our little bookshop tour, we actually found this little painting your own pottery place. And so they had a bunch of cute Halloween / fall things that you can paint. So we're gonna go back today and paint that. I'm very excited. I spent all last night looking up inspiration for what I want to paint. And I think that like something like this is what I'm gonna go for. Hopefully I can do it. My artistic skills are a little bit rusty, so we'll see how it goes. But first we gotta eat some lunch and then we're gonna go paint some pottery. Little adult Lunchable, some cheese, crackers, and some apples. What do you guys think? It's David and Patrick's song.
Who?
David and Patrick from Schitt's Creek.
My first thought of Patrick was Patrick Star, and I was like, what the heck?
We are two wildly different people.
I don't think I remember that episode, actually.
How do you paint the bottoms of these?
Or
That is a
probably-
problem for future me.
Probably not at all. I'm gonna put poison in it.
Hi, would you like this not suspicious drink from this not suspicious dragon
It's
goblet? Is there any other kind of dragon other than an emo dragon? I think all dragons are kind of emo just by like nature. Listen, hear me out. They're very angsty. They live in caves. They don't like other people. They're very solitary creatures.
You could be describing Gollum right now.
Well, yeah, Gollum is also an emo boy. I've got my base coat on. There's a little love heart at the bottom. And now I'm going to start on the flowers. It looks so good, Jordan. I love the color scheme.
I will be taking no questions or comments at this time.
This is very much me and Jordan's personalities. I have the cute pastel flowers and she has the dragon with the blood of the enemies. It was my first time ever trying that craft. We have to wait until next week to go and pick them up to see how they turned out, but I'm very excited to see the end product. I'm hoping that the kiln is quite forgiving. Sometimes, or always, I struggle with trying new crafts because I want to be good at something the first time that I do it. I want to be perfect at it. When I knew yesterday that we were going to paint pottery today, I spent hours last night looking up Pinterest ideas so that I could get it perfect today. I definitely do feel like if I'm not good at something immediately, that means I've failed. Those perfectionist traits are something that I'm trying to work at, make them less all-consuming. Creating these YouTube videos has definitely helped me with that perfectionism because it's taught me that everyone's bad when you first start something, and the only way to get good at something is to do it and to keep trying and keep practicing and keep learning new things. I feel like every time I create a new YouTube video, I learn something different. I learn something different about technology or graphics or the actual YouTube process itself, and it's really taught me that it's okay to be bad at things. The world doesn't end if you're bad at something the first time you try it, or even the second time you try it, or every time you do it. If you're bad at it but you enjoy it, that's fine. That's okay. But I am very excited to see how the pots turn out. Even if they don't turn out the way that I imagined, I had a great time painting them. For the rest of the day, I plan on baking an apple pie, which is again something new that I've never done before. I'm going to use the apples that we picked when we went to the pumpkin patch to bake the apple pie, and the recipe that I found seems quite straightforward, so hopefully it's kind to me. Ta-da! I'm going to spend the rest of the evening reading my book. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you again soon with another video. Bye!